guys, today I wanted you to go to w3schools.com and go to the HTML section. And when you get to the HTML section, click up here in the upper left corner. That's the menu. You have a bunch of choices. We've been to this before. And I would like you to choose colors. I want you to take a look at this information here, and specifically I want you to know that HTML supports 140 colors by name, and the rest would be represented by hexadecimal code. Now if I go all the way down here, I wanted you to see, let's see if I can find it. I think there's a color picker. And if you click on the color picker, okay, it becomes enlarged, and if you click on any color, it'll display it here, okay, and then give you the hexadecimal value for it. So I just wanted you to experiment with that and take a look at that. I also wanted you to go today, and John, if you would, go to the, let's see if I can find it, the quotations. Let's see here, if I can get this, there we go. Right here, I want you guys to go over HTML quotations. Just kind of do this in class with the kids. Just go over it with them, and block quote and different things here. I just wanted the kids to see what these tags are. So if you guys could cover that in class, that would be great. Okay, I am going to now go to talk about a table with you. So I've created a table using Text Wrangler. I'll put it up here for you. And I want you guys to do this for me. So we're going to make a new document, doc type. Here's our opening HTML, our opening head, title, close head, and we're at a body here. Here's our body. Okay, and John, if you would, when you let the kids see this, just stop it at different points to slow down so they can key this in. Okay, hey guys, here is a tag called table, and it has an attribute called border, and the value of border is 5. And do you notice here we have rows? Here's the first row. These are table headings. So we have opening table row and closing table row, and we have a table heading and a closing table heading. First name, and then last name and position. Now in the second row we have entries. So here's the opening table row and the closing. And we have table data, Mike Jones, pitcher. And then we have another row right here. And the data inside it, Bob McGrath, catcher. And we have another one, another row here. Mark Littell is an infielder. We close up the table. We close up the body. And you can't see this, it's off the screen. See if I can lift it up a little bit here. There he is, the closing HTML. Now what in the world does that give us? Okay, someplace around here I have what that does for us. Let's see if I can find it here. Okay, there it is right here. This is the table that creates. Okay, notice the header, and then we have the data here. So I want you, oh, by the way, the table attribute border gave us these borders on the inside here, which makes the table look kind of nice. So I want you guys to create that today and just call it table1.html. And the last thing I just wanted to mention to you about HTML today, I wanted you to think about the word styles. HTML has this thing within it called CSS, Cascading Style Sheet. They're styles. And what a style does, it lets you enhance a tag. It lets you actually kind of change what the tag does. So just for a second, imagine the H1 tag. When I think of H1, I think of black 24-point big, thick black letters on the screen. But what happens if I wanted to make those letters larger, or maybe change the color, or maybe make them blue with a yellow background? I could actually enhance the H1 tag to do all that by using styles. And what we're going to see in one of the classes that follow, I think tomorrow's class, is actually how to do that, how to create a style. Now just remember this, a style will enhance a web page. It adds functionality to a specific tag. Okay, that's all for this one.